Europe's energy crisis is deepening hours after G7 leaders agreed to implement a price cap on Russian oil. Intriguing time. And Gazprom reversed plans to resume gas flows through the Nord Stream pipeline. EU energy ministers are now preparing for an emergency meeting. That's on Friday, where a number of special measures to rein in soaring prices will be discussed. For more, we are joined by Will Kennedy, our senior executive editor for energy and commodities. Will, just walk us through, get us up to speed on what happened. We had that data flow suggesting that flows would come back online on Saturday. Of course, the shock announcement that would not be happening. The impact across the energy space here.
Yes, it turned out to be a surprise and happened late in the day after energy had stopped trading for the day. So markets are responding today to the news that gas isn't coming back, and unsurprisingly, gas is much, much higher. The Nord Stream pipeline, which is the main link between Russia and Germany and carried a third of Russian gas into Europe, was already operating at far reduced capacities of about 20%, but even that 20% was really going to matter for balances over this winter. So now it looks like it's down and not coming back. Traders are having to readjust their expectations for how much gas the continent will have as we head into the colder months.
Well, I know there was that pretty ridiculous picture, actually, which looked like something, out of my bath, like this, this leak that didn't really seem like a leak. Is this it? Is it now, are we fully pricing in just like a gas embargo from Russia, or is there a possibility that it comes back online?
I think most people's expectations now that Nord Stream is shut indefinitely. Clearly, that picture could be interpreted as a sort of pretty tongue-in-cheek way of Russia putting its point across, and obviously Siemens, who serviced the turbines involved, said that such a leak, although it may exist, was no reason to close the pipeline. So there's a lot of skepticism about all of that. I think attention will now turn to pipelines through the Ukraine, because a lot of people may not know that there is another route for Russian gas into Europe through Ukraine, again at a vastly reduced rate. About half the pipelines there are shut down because of the war, but some gas is travelling, and I think people will now wonder how long that keeps flowing into Europe.